They say to win the marketplace, you first need to win the workplace. Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar Kamble, consultant psychiatrist working at Nagpur, and I'm going to present you a video series talking about importance of mental health at workplace. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Umang Clinic Dr. Kumar Kamble. Also, please visit our Facebook page Umang Clinic Nagpur. The links for the both are given in the description below. So let's get started with the first video of the series. Let me start by sharing a story with you. A friend of mine, radiologist, he joined a radiology center. The pay was really nice. After a few months, I happened to meet him and asked him, hey, how is it going? He said, just don't ask me about that place, It's really bad, it's pathetic. The people out there, they are so toxic. I just don't want to go to that place anymore. I'm quitting this job. After a few months, I again happened to meet him. He had started a job at new place. I asked him, hey, how is it going? He said, this new place, the pay is less, but I'm really happy. I love to go to this place. I really love my job. Yes, friends, the crux of the story is the last two lines. I love to go to my job. I'm really happy. This is an indication of a healthy working environment, and an environment which provides support to mental well-being. Taking a continuation from the story, I would just like to now focus upon the important part of the conversation here, that is importance of mental health at workplace. Yes, when I say healthy working conditions, it means a working condition that supports both physical health and mental health. Why it is important to focus on mental health at workplace? Well, the answer is easy. A mentally healthy person is able to use his abilities to best level, and obviously this helps him to give a better performance and better output, and as a whole the workplace or the organization will benefit the most from it. So what are the different factors that affect mental health at workplace? Well, there are many factors. I would just like to cut down it to very small list. The first and most important factor is whether my workplace is a safe working environment, whether there is adequate security provided, whether the place where I sit, place where I work, is it safe to work. Secondly, very important is how is the interpersonal communication at this place or at the workplace, how the people interact with each other at this workplace, how the superiors interact with their employees at the workplace. Is there negative kind of conversation? Is there negative kind of atmosphere at workplace? So interpersonal communication is very important factor. Thirdly, does my workplace provide some flexible working hours? Remember, flexible working hours is very important because that helps accommodate the person important activities that he has to do in the during the office time. Fourthly, and most importantly, which is neglected by most of the people, is how is the attitude of the superiors towards mental health issues. Remember, if the attitude is negligent, people at workplace will never open up about their mental health issues, and they will keep on suffering from the mental health issues, and ultimately it will start affecting their performance and the output, and as the workplace as a whole will be at a loss because of this negative attitude. So these basic things, these basic factors are the factors which affect mental health at workplace. So friends, I end my video here. Now we will be moving to the next video, in which we will be focusing about how to identify stress at workplace.